All right, so engine is apart, looking all nasty, nasty. It's been sitting for, I don't know, 23 years, 24, maybe 22, I don't know. He drove it for a little while, but it sat for a long time. Got the tins all off it, the doghouse oil cooler. Whole bunch of parts came off it. Old rugged tins. Piston, cylinder. The header. This is what I want it to look like similarly after, not chrome though. So these are the heads, all right? The rockers. We're gonna go to a D port instead. Better flowing, right?
Better combustion, better chamber.
Nasty. Ugh.
This is the camshaft. Look at the size, 110. All the
Nice.
stuff here inside.
Nice,
Chrome
nice.
oil push rod, oil pump, rocker arm.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that old nasty nastiness.
Look at the pistons.
Yeah, look at the pistons. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? I forgot to ask. I would like to save at least one of these as a.
Molly?
Yeah, I would like to save one, not to use it, just for.
Oh, to save one?
Exacto. Ashtray or something for guests. You know. But anyway, yeah, the vehicle is right now getting ready to be sent to the, I guess you could say, body shop. They're doing most of the body. And yeah, that's not related. But so that's pretty much the gist of it. Flywheels over here, added to the collection. Yeah, I'm excited. The ball is rolling. Working with Porschewagen out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Dude's a beast. Dude is a beast. He started working on it like what, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. and had it all apart. And
Look at the crank.
oh yeah, crank. That's important. Ooh, ugh.
IRP nuts. That's good, really good.
Okay.
Stain, you know.
Yeah.
Bearings and everything is in there. That's a contra weighter, 69 millimeter crank.
Gotcha.
And the exhaust.
You want to tell me any thoughts you have about the project?
I got it.
Exhaust. You want to share any thoughts about the project?
The what?
Any thoughts about the project?
That's really nice project. I like the color and the age to the car. You know, that's the 90s, 95, mid to the 90s.
Mhm.
And the color, I like it. You need a lot of work in that because
Claro.
like a rust and something mechanical, electrical, whatever. But I use it in the right place to make everything. You know, everything we do need it or build Volkswagen air cooler Porsche. Here, I am
Awesome.
the guy.
All right, cool. Thank you, man.